Need quick, easy access to your policy info, claims, and billing? Let's walk through how to register for Selman & Company's eService portal. Start by visiting www.selmanco.com/eService. On the login screen, locate First Time and click Create an Account. Next, enter your policy details. Start with your identification number. This begins with the letter P and can be found on your schedule of benefits or your bill. Then enter your zip code and either your last payment amount or your date of birth. On the next screen, you will create a username and password and enter your email address. Once you're done, click Submit. Check your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the Verify Now link inside to verify your email address, and don't forget to check your spam folder if you don't see it right away. Once your email is verified, return to the portal and log in using the username and password you created. That's it. You are now registered and ready to view policy information, check claim status, pay your bill, and more, all in one secure place. Thank you for choosing Selman & Company.